Shri
Srivasadi Gaurabhakta Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare सत्तर मेरे कृपात परम नित्य लीला प्रविष्ट एवं विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर सतस्य श्रीमान भक्ति वेदांत
First of all, my Gurudev Nitya Lila Pravistam Vishnupada Sutra Satashi Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Vaman Maharaj and Nitya Lila Pravistam Vishnupada Sutra Satashi Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Narayan Goswami Maharaj. I pay my Koti Dandavat Pranam.
तत्पश्चात
And then after
नित्य लीला
Nitya Lila Pravistam Sutra Satashi Srimad Bhakti Swami Maharaj.
शिला भक्ति डॉक्टर श्रीवास महाराज श्री कृष्ण महाराज नित्य लाभ विश्वास भक्ति का भारती कृष्ण महाराज एवं उपस्थित समस्त वैष्णव
Vaishnavas and Vaishnavas, please accept my humble obeisances.
अभी अभी हम लोग
We have
भागवत
we've just come from 7 days Bhagavad Katha program.
मन में एक प्रश्न जगा
One question arised in my mind.
भागवत धर्म किसको कहते हैं?
What is the dharma of Bhagavad?
भागवत धर्म
Bhagavad Katha
स्वयं
is
भगवान
Bhagwan.
उद्धव से उद्धव जब स्वयं भगवान कृष्ण से मिले
Uddhav asked Bhagwan Krishna.
उस समय
At that
यही
time,
प्रश्न पूछा
Krishna asked
भागवत धर्म को पालन करना चाहिए
he should follow Bhagavad
भागवत धर्म
Dharma. What is called Bhagavad Dharma?
भागवत धर्म यह
Bhagavad Dharma is
स्वयं भगवान अपने मुखारविंद से
when Bhagwan himself from his own lotus mouth gave instruction to Uddhav is called Bhagavad.
एकादश स्कंध में
In the 11th chapter,
क्योंकि मनुष्य मात्र ही भगवान के दास हैं।
human beings,
मनुष्य भी सब जीव मात्र
jivas,
ही
all
भगवान
the
के
jivas are the das of Krishna.
किंतु
But
consciousness
with the consciousness,
बुद्धि की विकास के अनुसार
our mind and our consciousness and our intelligence,
अपने अपने कार्य आदि करते हैं।
we keep on doing what our mind and our intelligence do.
पांच प्रकार के जीवों की विकास दिखाया जाता
These 5 types of vikas for the jivas.
है। आच्छादित चेतन
Acha Chitta Chetan.
जैसे वृक्ष आदि
For example, like a
पहाड़
tree.
पर जिसमें आत्मा है
In the tree, the Atma is there.
कॉन्शसनेस है कॉन्शस भी है, चेतन है।
There is Chetan.
किंतु चेतन के विकास
But we cannot see the
विकास
Chetan.
दूसरी संकुचित चेतन चेतन कहा जाता है।
Second is the Sanchut
चेतन तो
Chetan.
है
Chetan is there, but
विकास
it's
जो है, थोड़ा बहुत विकास है।
there's only little vikas.
आच्छादित चेतन में कौन आ गया?
Like trees, plants.
वहीं पर है।
The tree stays in one place.
तुरंत करके खाक हो जाएगा। किंतु वो कुछ नहीं करता।
It doesn't say anything, even though in the rainy season, in the hard
विकास
still
देख
it is.
रहे हैं, आग जल रही है।
The fire is burning, there is fire, but still the tree cannot do anything.
Feeling, willing and
It does a feeling, willing and knowing.
ये तीनों तो चेतन धर्म की
These three are
क्रिया का है
the symptoms
चेतन
of its self, Chaitan.
तीन वस्तु रहती है क्या क्या
What is Chaitan? Chaitan is called living consciousness, where there is feeling, Anubhav, willing and Gyan. Ichha Shakti and Gyan, the knowledge. That is called living
जड़ में
entity.
ये नहीं है
In Jad, like stone,
ईट पत्थर में
stone doesn't, there is no Chaitan.
इसकी फीलिंग नहीं है
It doesn't have feeling, it doesn't have willing, it doesn't have
चेतन में
Ichha.
ये तीन वस्तु है feeling,
But in
बुद्धि
Chaitan-
and
Knowing.
देखो एक पेड़ है
For example, there is a tree,
बा एक लता
there is a creeper,
मनी प्लांट
there is a money plant.
किस लगाते हैं मनी आते हैं
Why do you have money plant? So that you
प्लांट लगाओ
have
यदि उसपे
money.
पत्ता हरी हरी करके बढ़ रहे हैं तो समझना चाहिए
If the
तुम्हारा
plant is growing very well, then understand that
सुदीन आ गया
you got good
पैसा आया
auspiciousness that you are going to earn some money.
लगा करके देखो 6 महीने के बाद उनके पता
If you
चलेगा
plant a money plant in your house, wait after
यदि
6
वो
months.
पत्ता
If the plant starts
ये नष्ट हो जाए
sprouting more and it starts
बड़ा
growing,
नहीं हो रहे आगे नहीं बढ़ रहे आप पानी दे रहे सब कुछ कर रहे हैं
and then if for example, if your plant is not growing and you are feeding water and you are feeding, it's got sunlight, then
और वस्तु
just
प्राप्ति के लिए क्या होता है
try and understand that wealth is not in your way.
अर्थ धन संपत्ति मान
Earth,
पूजा
dhan,
प्रतिष्ठा, जो कुछ भी आपका है,
pratishtha, money,
इस समय-
economics,
समय
wealth,
के अनुसार सब करते
it
हैं।
comes to you at this time,
गुरु जन्म में हम
only at
जैसे
the time that you are
कर्म आदि
according to your
उस
karma.
कर्म के अनुसार हुआ है। कर्मानुसार
According to your karma, you get the fruit of wealth,
सुख,
dharma,
दुख, हानि,
pratishtha,
लाभ, यश,
suffering, pain,
शत्रु,
happiness.
मित्र भी आ जाए।
friends, enemies. That all comes according to your karmas and at the right
जैसे
time.
इसमें मैंने उदाहरण दे रहा था
There is an example. I'm giving you an
लता
example.
जिसमें क्या बताया
Money plant, the plant, the creeping plant, money plant. Even in Hindi, it's called money plant.
उसके नाम ही रखा गया
Money plant. The name is climbing plant is money plant.
अब अपने आप टेस्ट कर लीजिए। यदि हरा भरा हो रहे हैं
If it starts
आगे बढ़
growing,
रहे हैं
if it's growing,
के समय और ठंडी के समय
and even whether it's hot weather or summer or winter,
आपके पास यहाँ से भी मठ मंदिर
when
में
it's
रखो
growing, then it means money is coming your way.
समय यदि हो रहा है बहुत ब्रह्मचारी भी आएगा
You know,
संत
so
महापुरुष आएंगे
even
बहुत
if
लोग
it is
भी आएंगे
but
डोनेशन भी देंगे
there's lots of donation, brahmacharis are there, Mahatma, great Mahatmas are coming to mud.
पूछा जाए
And if the money plant doesn't grow and it starts dying,
तो समझना चाहिए
it's weak and the money leaves are dry, that means that time is not
वही मनी
right.
प्लांट को आप रख दो
If you
कहीं भी
keep-
रखो
if you put
देखो
this money
जहाँ पर
plant
सूजा लोग आते हैं ना,
anywhere,
ये जब से और उसके तरफ वो देखो उसके वहाँ तक जाएगा
it will go towards the sunlight.
ये जाएगा क्यों कैसा वो चाहते हैं ना
Because why? Because it's conscious. It's conscious, so it will go towards the sunlight.
इसलिए
That's why
चेतन तो है
it is living entity,
किंतु इसकी चेतनता के विकास
but its consciousness is
जैसे
covered.
आग आग सूरज है वो जान बोल नहीं। इसलिए इसे कहा जाता है क्या आच्छादित चेतनता है किंतु वो
Chetan.
अच्छा
But it's covered. The Chetan.
दूसरी क्या बताया
The second thing is
संकुचित
Sanchuti. Chetan.
चेतनता तो है किंतु
Chetana
उसके
is,
विकास नहीं
it's not, you cannot see the transformation.
थोड़ा बहुत विकास नहीं।
It's got small because, like so. For example, the birds and the animals.
आग जल रही है
It's a fire.
पशु पक्षी डर करके भाग जाते
They will, if they see a fire, they will run away.
हैं। तो क्यों कहाँ जाना है कैसे करना है
They do,
वो विचार को कर नहीं पाते
but the animal cannot think where I should go, what I have to do.
संकुचित चेतन
It's called Sankuta.
तीसरी क्या है मुकुलित
Consciousness.
चेतन ये मुकुलित चेतन किसके कहा है किसको कहा है मानव जीवन की कहा है
Human beings
क्योंकि
have
भगवान
full
मनुष्य
consciousness.
में एक विचार शक्ति है। किंतु वो विचार
Then human beings can have, with their intelligence, get and think.
एक विचार
One is
फिर
vichar.
विचार करके कार्य में
One is thinking. And then the second is putting the thoughts into
कॉज
action.
एंड एक्शन सेरेमनी।
That's called cause and actions
कार्य
theory.
और कारण में लेकर के
Cause and the
कॉज
actions.
एंड एक्शन।
Action.
आइए महाराज जी, आइए। हाँ, मुकुलित चिंतन में आ गया। हमारी गुरु बन गई है। नहीं, बच्चा तो है ही, कोई भी बात नहीं। किंतु ऊपर से बैठे बच्चा को
Please sit next to me, even if you're my child. Yes.
आप जो बोले आपके बजट के मैं स्वीकार कर देता हूँ।
Even the son sits on the father's shoulder.
देखने से पता चलता है ना। अच्छा, मुकुलित चिंतन है? ये कौन आ गया?
Mukuli Chekan,
है?
Manusya, fully conscious.
ये चौथा कौन है?
What is the fourth one?
विकसित चेतन। विकसित चेतन में
विकसित
मनुष्य
चेतन।
की जो मनुष्य भजन में
These are the human beings who are doing bhajan.
क्योंकि भगवान हमें एक विचार शक्ति दी है।
Bhagwan has given us
क्या विचार शक्ति दी है?
Intelligence.
अच्छा, बुरी
to think what is good and what is bad.
है? जैसे गीता में भगवान
In the
कहते हैं
Bhagavad
अर्जुन,
Gita, Krishna is telling Arjun,
तुम्हें क्या करना है? नहीं
what do you
करना
have
है?
to do,
मैं
what
शास्त्र
you
में
need to do and what you don't need to do. I've written it in the Shastras. You think about it and do your actions.
शास्त्र में मैं सब कुछ
I have shown everything in the Shastras.
और क्या नहीं करना।
What you have to do and what you don't have to
विचार
do.
करके करो।
Whatever you do, think about it and do it. If something, if whatever Guru says and Sishya does,
शिष्य के भी कुछ
Sishya does also have to think.
है? जैसे हमारे सिद्धांत महाराज लोग कहते हैं, सिद्धांत महाराज का सुना।
Once Siddhanta Maharaj said Katha,
गुरुदेव बोले,
Gurudev said
शिष्यदेव
to the Sishya,
बहुत दूर से चल करके आ रहे।
I have come from far away and I walked a long distance, so please get me a glass of water. So the Sishya went, he had very dry throat.
10 मिनट बाद,
So
10
after
मिनट के बाद
Sishya
गुरुदेव
went
आ
to
गए।
get water, after 10 minutes the
अरे
Sishya
पानी
came
क्या?
back.
हाँ, गुरुदेव, एक चीज मैं भूल गया।
He said, Gurudev, I forgot one thing. After 10 minutes he says,
एक चीज मैं भूल गया।
I
बोले,
forgot
क्या?
one thing.
किसने भूल गया?
What did you forget?
गुरुदेव, ये बताओ गुरुदेव,
Gurudev, tell me,
आप कौन सा पानी पियोगे?
what water will
ठंडी
you
पानी
drink?
और
Cold water or
10 मिनट अच्छा।
warm water?
बेटा, एक काम कर।
So the Gurudev
पानी
said,
करते रहोगे,
decide.
अच्छा, ऐसे कर। हैं? नॉर्मल पानी।
Just get me normal water. We get, just run. So he ran away, and after 10 minutes, the disciple came back. He said,
ये
Gurudev,
चीज मैं भूल गया।
I forgot to ask you one thing. What?
ये बात बताइए गुरुदेव,
Gurudev,
आप बताओ
you tell me,
कौन सा पानी पियोगे?
which water will you drink? Tap water,
और आपके लिए मैं
filtered
बाजार
water.
से गए,
Or I go to the shop and get
बिस्लरी ले।
Bisleri means filtered water.
तो मजेदार है शिष्य।
The disciple.
तू बाजार जाके ट्रेड करेगा।
And so the Guru said, Arey disciple, to disciple, Arey, how long you'll go to the shop and go and buy water?
अच्छा, फिर दौड़ के चलेंगे। आप हिसाब लगाओ।
So just get me tap water. So he ran away, and then
30 मिनट हो गए।
after 30 minutes, after
दौड़ करके
30
आ।
the disciple came back.
पानी का है।
Where's the water? Gurudev, I forgot to ask you one thing. Gurudev,
कौन सा गिलास में आप पानी
what type of glass will you drink the water in?
हैं? कौन सा गिलास?
What type of
मिट्टी के
glass?
गिलास में पानी पियोगे
Mud
कि
glass or a steel
सिल्वर जो
or
स्टील का गिलास?
steel glass?
ये मैं क्वेश्चन भूल गया।
I forgot to ask you that.
चलो,
Chalo.
जा।
Ja. So
स्टील गिलास हमने
they
दे-
said
अच्छा,
go.
मिट्टी के गिलास में।
With whatever glass you get, or a steel glass or mud glass, it doesn't matter.
दौड़ के चले गए। फिर दोबारा 10 मिनट बाद आ गया। फिर
And
हो
after
गया।
10 minutes,
10 मिनट हो गए।
so now how much? 50 minutes have
अरे
passed by.
गुरुदेव, एक चीज में
Oh, then he comes back after 10 minutes and he says, hey, Gurudev, I forgot. tell
मान
me.
के ले आएंगे, वो हाथ से
I-
पकड़ पकड़ ले आएंगे।
But should I bring the glass, hold the glass in my hand, or put the glass in the tray and bring the water to you?
इसलिए मैं कह रहा,
So that's what I'm
भगवान
saying
की
is,
गीता में यही कहा है,
Bhagwan is told in the Gita,
शास्त्र प्रमाण दे कार्य अकार्य व्यवस्थित हो। कौन सा की चीज कैसे करना, इसके
What you
प्रमाण
have to
के
do.
अनुसार शास्त्र में
the Shastras have said when you have to do what actions,
बुद्धि से
you have to use your intelligence.
इसकी सेवा करना है,
And if you want to do seva,
इतना ही तो कर सकते हैं।
you can do seva.
ये
But
विकासशील
you
जो होता है,
have to
इससे
think
कहा
how to do the seva. You have to use your intelligence.
बुद्धि के विकास नहीं, तो वास्तव रूप में ही होने भावना,
You should have bhavana. You should
और
do
बुद्धि
it
के विकास कैसे
सेवा।
करते हैं, जब भक्ति में प्रवेश करें,
when you are use your
विकसित
buddhi,
चेतन है।
when you are in bhakti.
और पूर्ण विकसित चेतन
And Purna Vikasha Chetan means Bhakta
भक्ति में
who is in the bhav stage. Who is in the bhav stage is called Purna Vikasha
ये मनुष्य जीवन की
pure
तात्पर्य क्या है?
consciousness. What is the reason for the human being's life is to do bhajan. If you haven't
और
done
चारों
bhajan,
चीजों में
and these four,
समय गवाया। चार चीज क्या है?
what are these four things?
आहार,
Ahara,
आहार निद्रा वैराग्य।
Ahara, Nidra.
इसमें लगा दिया,
Because you wasted your time in sleeping, eating, and in your sense
जीवन की
gratification.
तात्पर्य है,
So,
कैसे
that,
मैं धीरे-धीरे
so as a human being, we should think about how will I move
और वो
forward
भजन
and do
साधन में
bhajan
आगे
bhajan.
बढ़ेगा जब साधु संत होगा।
How will we do our sadhan bhajan? That
बिनु सत्संग
in the association of the sadhu sang, we will progress in our sadhan
जब
bhajan.
रामचंद्र की कृपा नहीं होगी,
If you don't have Ramchandra ki kripa, if you don't have Bhagwan's kripa,
सत्संग कहाँ?
then we won't get
और
sakshan.
साधु भी मिल जाए,
Even if we get sadhu, we get the association of the
भगवान की
sadhu.
कृपा नहीं हो,
But if there is no Bhagwan's kripa, then we will not benefit
लाभ
the
उठाने के
sadhu
लिए,
sang.
साधु संग लाभ उठाने के लिए भी
What you have to do to benefit the sadhu sang? You need Bhagwan's
अनेक
kripa.
जन्म के सुकृति के
We have to have sukriti from many lifetimes.
साधु संग
After many lifetimes of sukriti, we get association of the sadhu. To understand the sadhu's
अनुभव
bhav,
करने के लिए
to realize sadhu's
जो
bhav,
है साधन भजन करना,
that we have to do sadhan bhajan.
शास्त्र आदि अध्ययन,
We have to study the
की
shastras,
सेवा,
do guru seva,
जितने
and
प्रकार की साधन दिखाया गया,
whatever the limbs of the bhakti, the shastras have shown, we have to do. What is the topmost
प्रहलाद
of
महाराज
the limbs of bhakti is guru seva. Prahlad Maharaj,
साथियों की जो है
with his
क्या श्लोक है, गुरु शुश्रूषा भक्ता
Sish-
सर्व संगेन साधन ईश्वर साधु
sadhu sang.
साधु संग के द्वारा हमारी विवेक है, और हमें धीरे धीरे आगे बढ़े।
With the association of the sadhu sang, we will slowly progress into
सबसे
sadhan
जो
bhajan.
सेवा
But what is the seva
गुरु
we
सेवा
have
करने
to
से
do?
यह नहीं है केवल
Topmost
अपने गुरु की सेवा करते
limbs
रहे।
of bhakti is guru seva.
अपने गुरु के प्रति
Yeah, you
निष्ठा तो
should have nistha in your guru.
जैसे सती साथी नारी
Like Satasati Nari,
अपने पति में
like a wife
निष्ठा रखती है,
has a nistha in her husband.
पति सेवा ही परम धर्म,
She thinks she serves her husband,
किंतु
but
साथ ही साथ
at the same time in the household,
और जो परिवार जन जो रहते
she
हैं,
also other family members who are staying,
सास
mother-in-law, father-in-law,
सास ससुर देवर,
they were brother-in-law, Nadan, sister-in-law, whoever other members who are living in the family
जो भी
household.
रहते हैं,
She
सबके
also
प्रति एक
she also has to have to be loving. She has to show love and affection to all the members. This is the art of the living. You have to do bhajan sajan,
मधुर
but you have to be very sweet to everyone and show love and
बोलने
affection
में
to
ऐसे
everyone.
सुंदर बोलो,
You should speak. You should speak sweet speech, sweet words to them, that they get attracted to you.
तुलसीदास जी एक
Like Tulsidas.
देखो इस जगत में
In this world, Tulsidas is saying,
जो
in this
मनुष्य हम
world,
देख रहे हैं
we see human beings.
हैं? वो पिछले जन्म में
In the previous life, what were they? Where did they come from in the previous
स्वर्ग
life?
से आया,
Did they come from heavenly
अनेक
planets?
पुण्य करके स्वर्ग में चले गए थे।
They did some good deeds and they went to heavenly planets and they've come back to earth or from the heavenly planets. Or they did so much pap and sinful activities in the previous life and they went to hell and they've served their sentence in the hell and they've come back now on the earth. So how would you know that human beings have come from heavenly planets or hell from the hell? How will you know? From their nature.
आपने कर तुलसीदास जी
Tulsidas
वहाँ
says,
स्पष्टीकरण कर दिया,
is saying
उसके पता चलेगा।
that from the nature, from the nature of that person, you will know
क्योंकि उसकी
where
स्वभाव,
he's come
उसकी
from,
क्रिया आदि का
heavenly
पता
planets or
चलता है।
hellish planets, from his behavior.
जो काम क्रोधी
If he's kami and krodhi and he's got
समझना
tamagru,
चाहिए वो कहाँ से है,
he's got mood of ignorance, then he's come from hell.
किंतु वो जो
But-
स्वभाव अपने छोड़ते नहीं।
That nature, he doesn't leave that nature.
अति सहज में
It's not easy to with the nature that we've been carrying from previous lives, so many lifetimes, doesn't go easily. In Sanskrit it says, you know, koila, coal, coal, C-O-A-L, coal. Koila is black coal, it's very black.
जितने बार इसके धोते रहो पानी में,
Even if you wash the coal in the water, wash it in the Ganga water or Navadip, even take the coal in the Haridwar and wash it. Will it get clean? No, it will still be black.
अच्छा कोयला
Because-
काम में लगा देखो
Because-
आपके करो परिवेश यदि कोयला में आग लगा दिया जाए
But if you put a fire, if you light those coal, then it will, what happens, it will get right hot and it will serve you and give heat.
जो व्यक्ति
So person,
अत्यंत नीच स्वभाव वाले होते हैं, कामी, क्रोधी,
if somebody is very calm, he's got
ऐसे
lust,
व्यक्ति
he's
को
got
समझना
crowd,
चाहिए, वो कहाँ से आए हैं?
then you have to understand that he's come from hell.
अच्छा कहीं कोई व्यक्ति को देख के आप क्रोध करते हैं, वो
If
कहते हैं,
somebody-
बहा दिया।
If somebody is very
ये
angry,
कहाँ से आए हैं? बोले, किसने कहा मेरे को दे
if you tell him you come from hell, then what?
लड़ाई करेंगे नहीं करेंगे?
He will get really angry.
हैं? ऐसे बुद्धि के- स्वर्ग से आए हैं,
If he's come from heavenly planets, how will you know?
हैं? वो धीर,
They will be like
विनयी,
patient,
हैं?
peaceful.
स्वभाव वाले होंगे, हैं? और पुकार दूसरे के उपकार करने वाले
He will know how to talk to others. He won't
आज उनके
get
स्वभाव
angry.
अत्यंत
His nature would be very peaceful and his speech would be very
हृदय
sweet.
को आकर्षित कर लिया,
You will get attracted to that
सभी
person.
के हृदय को आकर्षित कर लिया।
He will attract everyone's heart.
समझना चाहिए वो कहाँ से आए हैं?
Then you have to understand where he's come from, heavenly planets.
हर व्यक्ति के अपने
Every person,
पूर्वजन्म की स्वभाव,
this nature, every person's brought their nature from the previous life. And this nature doesn't change.
हर जन्म में
Bhakti Vinod Thakur
हम
is
इस स्थूल
saying,
शरीर को त्याग देते हैं।
we live our,
हमारे अंदर कितने शरीर है?
how many bodies we have? Gross, three.
तीन शरीर।
Three bodies we have.
एक ऊपर से
One is
नीचे है,
gross body,
मिट्टी का अंदर इसको
motor
कहा जाता है,
made of 5 elements. It's called gross body.
इसके अंदर में और एक शरीर है,
And then
इसको कहा जाता है
inside
क्या?
this gross body, we've got another body
और
which
उस
is called
सूक्ष्म शरीर के अंदर में
subtle
और क्या
body.
है?
In this subtle body,
और एक शरीर है,
or there is another sarir, another body.
उसे कहते हैं आत्मा शरीर।
That is called Atma body.
वो आत्मा की सुंदर शरीर है उसका।
It's Atma body.
चलो और वो सूक्ष्म विचार आदि है।
Then we have this.
तो हर जन्म में हम लोग स्थूल शरीर
Every
के त्याग-
lifetime, what we do, every life after death, we leave our gross body.
वो अपने साथ ही कर्म के साथ भी चलते
But we
जाते
have,
हैं।
we take our
और
subtle
बुद्धि,
body,
अहंकार, चित्त,
everything with us, hankar, cheat,
वो सूक्ष्म शरीर जो
intelligence,
है,
mind,
चलते हैं।
the subtle body.
और उसी के अनुसार
We
स्वभाव
carry on
बनते जा रहे हैं।
in our next
जो
life.
ऐसे प्रकृति के लोग स्वभाव होते हैं।
So whatever our nature is,
अपने अपने कर्मों के अनुसार
according to whatever karmas are and our
अपने अपने
nature,
लोगों की संग के साथ
whatever association we had in our
जैसे
previous lives,
लोगों की संग करते रहोगे उस प्रकार आपके स्वभाव भी बन
that
जाएगा।
also we carry with us in our nature. So if you associate with
शराब पीने वाले
somebody, alcohol, people who are drinking alcohol or gambling, if you associate with them, then what happens? Then your nature becomes like that. Whoever you associate with them, they become like that associate. Their nature becomes like that. Whoever they associate with. So this Sabhav, this nature, we are carrying from many, many lifetimes. But when in the lifetime where we get a satsang, sadhu, where we get a sangha of sadhu sangha, and then we surrender to a pure devotee, then understand, then
शरीर को प्राप्त करके हम भगवान
then believe that we are going to leave this gross body and attain the lotus feet of God. Bhaktivedanta Thakur is saying, he says, he is shown in a very,
इसलिए 5 प्रकार के
these 5 types.
एक है क्या
One is
आच्छादित
Chaitan, one is covered Chaitan, partially covered, and then
विकसित चेतन और एक
fully conscious. One is fully consciousness.
जो ऐसे भाव भक्ति में आ जाए भगवान की भजन आदि करते हैं भगवान
Who is for that? Who is doing Pardhan Bhajan? Who is chanting Harinam?
प्रवेश करने वाले एवं प्रत शब्द नाम कृत्वा शतानुरागो उच्चै विभूति अथोरोधि रोति गायन उन्मादव नित्यति लोकवाच्य भगवान प्रेम राज्य में प्रवेश करके वो हंसते हैं
Sometimes he's laughing, sometimes the devotee is crying, sometimes he's lying on the floor. Why? As how much he gets bhakti in his heart is sprouting out. Sometimes in separation mood, then he's crying. Sometimes in the milan, then he's laughing. That is called a premi bhakta.
मानव जीवन का हम
What is it? Then this human life, we need to progress in our sadhana bhajan. Then we can attain our Lord, association of the Lord. Animals and birds cannot do that. Ashakti. Dhruv Maharaj said, my 3 lives have been wasted.
निर्बुद्धि जैसे और ऐसे भी कर लोग उसमें सोचने लगे मूर्ख है
People think externally
नाम ही इसमें रख दे क्या
Jad. You know, like Bharat Maharaj, they call him Jad externally, but who was he? He was the Uttam Mahabhagavad. Like he knew that his 3 lives is life.
शस्त्र आदि जानने के लिए
But he
कुलदेव के निकट जा रहे हैं शस्त्र श्रवण करने के लिए और महाराज बैठे थे पालकी में
Maharaj was sitting in a palki, palanquin, and they were carried by his servants, and he was going. So there were 3 who were carrying the palki. So see if there is somebody here, around here.
कोई है 2-3-4 किलोमीटर तो कुछ है ही नहीं
There's nobody around in the next 2 kilometers. There's no one there. But they saw one person, a tall, big body. And so he said, oh, go and call him. Then we can carry the palki. What is Mahabhagavad's darshan?
जहाँ जहाँ नेत्र पड़े सर्वभूति से जो पश्चात समस्त जीवों में भगवान के दर्शन होता है और जिसमें भी
whoever sees Sat Mahatma, they have been darshan of Mahabhagavad, Bharat Maharaj. He lifted the palki in his shoulder, but on the road he saw little ants. So he was so careful that he doesn't put his foot on the end. and kill the ants. So he was very careful how he was putting his food where there is no ants. So because he was doing that, what was happening to Palquin, then the palk was moving here and there. So like example, when you go for parikrama and you are on the bus and you take the last seat at the end and the roads are so bad, then what happens, you know,
उसे भक्त महाराज रोहन राजन कहने लगे ऐसे क्यों जोड़ रहे
why? So the Ravan said, why is this palanquin moving up and down? So the other three said, oh, because we got this new person who's carrying the palanquin. The third person, he keeps on moving.
Maharaj ने ताना मारने teaching words
Maharaj said he's weak. His body looks very big, but he's weak. That's why he's not moving fast. Does he not know who I am? I am the king. Run, work properly. Otherwise I'll punish you if you don't work properly. That's what the king said to the Bharat. This first time, he spoke. First time in his life, he spoke. He told Maharaj, he said, who is Raja? Who is king? Who is citizen? Who is the person who is going to give punishment? And who is the person who is going to get punishment? What are you? Are you the body that's Raja? Are you the Atma that's the Raja? Or are you king in your mind? You are telling me you are the king. You are telling me? You are telling me that you are big and fat and you are weak. What is it? Who is that? The body is fat. The Atma is fat and weak. Tell me. Then Maharaj, he heard this. So the Maharaj said, the king said, oh, that is the questions I have in my heart. What is the soul? Is the soul fat? Is big? How high is the soul? How wide is the soul? Where does he stay? Where does the Atma stay? What does he eat? Rohan Rajan. Then he stopped the palanquins and he told him, I have done this. With a humble mood, he said, I have done aparadh. He thought about it and he realized that he's done aparadh. The dust of the lotus of the devotees' feet. If you covered yourself with the dust of the devotees, like when you do abhishek with yogurt and doodh, so like that, similarly you have to cover your body with the Mahatma's dust. So if you get Sant Mahatma, then what you do? Then you feel cover your body up with the dust, but Sant Mahatma doesn't want to give the dust, but you wash his feet and put it on your head. Rohan Raj said, Maharaj is giving shiksha. It's not tapasya. Atma Gyan, it's not, you don't realize by tapasya, by austerities. Arjan and deity worship. Even if you read the Shastras, you will still not get this Gyan. Even if you take sannyas, just a little bit, that's it. How does that happen? Even if you take sannyas, you still don't get realization. What do you have to do with the lotus feet? What is the dust of the charan feet, lotus feet of the Guru? Gurudev used to say, what if Mahatma doesn't give? If Sat Mahatma would put how will he get his dust? You push this Mahatma, and then when he falls down, then you pick up all the dust and then you put it on your body. Dhakka do means push him. Then he falls down, then his feet, then you put your head at his lotus feet. I don't know, you don't do that. In Chaitanya Charitamrita said, Bhakta
विश्वास करिया भाई करो ये तीनों सेवान विश्वास के साथ
you have to have faith in the tree
विश्वास के साथ
with faith.
ये तीन वस्तु का
These
सेवन
three things.
क्या क्या
What are these three things? The dust of the lotus feet of a pure devotee, the Abhishek that has done washed the lotus feet of the Mahatma, and then the remnants. Those three things. Externally, it looks very. Externally, it's not look. Dhuli. What is the meaning of the dust of the lotus feet of a Mahatma? You know, you can get it anywhere. But bhakta, the dust of the bhakta, anuga, in the shelter, when you are walking, there is a dust. If you are walking, and you are walking, chalegi. You know, when you are walking, the dust, when we are doing Rajmandal Parikrama, we are walking, wherever there is dust, the dust will also follow you. Yeah. People who are behind you, the dust is so rising up that it covers up so much. And this dust is also following us. What is the purport? Purport means Anusharan. So we have to do bhakti under the shelter of a pure devotee. Dust means to take the shelter. You should follow his instructions. Bhakta pada jal. Gurudev, I want to wash your lotus feet by force. I will get hold of your lotus feet and put in the water and wash it with the water and drink it. Will you get bhakti? Will you get bhakti? I drink it, but then the principal said, oh, this is I'm qualified to take water. That has washed your lotus feet. What does that mean? Acha. That is Harikatha. What is this water? This water that's washed his lotus feet means Harikatha. You should listen to his Harikatha. Just like when we are thirsty, we drink water, our thirst is fulfilled. So like this, we have to listen to Harikatha. By listening to Harikatha, all this sansar, all this sansar, I will get peace. Uttista. Rasgulla. Say, oh Gurudeva, you got diabetes. You give me four rasgulla. You give 4 rasgulla. You know that Gurudev has got diabetes, so he's not really going to have rasgulla. So why are we giving 4 rasgulla? Thoda le lo. Gurudev, take it. For rasgulla. No, it's not like that. What is the Uttista is what? Uttista is the bhav, the mood, the bhav the Guru has in his heart. How the Guru is doing bhajan, how in which mood he is living. 2 is for third. Third is Uttista, the remnants is very high.
यही गुरुदेव के विशिष्ट
Gurudev
माधुर्य
is
हम ग्रहण करें।
Madhurya. That's what you have
ये
to
करके मैं अपने भक्तों के यहाँ पर विराम देता
I
हूँ।
will
अभी हमारे प्रभु जी
stop now because we
हमारे
got
हम लोग के प्रति स्नेह
Prabhuji
रखते हैं।
Madhav Priya Prabhuji is here
और
and he's
वैष्णव देखो तो इनके गुरुपाद मंदिर के मैंने दर्शन किया एक बार
I had darshan of his Gurupad. He was very Trinada Pisunich, very humble. Pramod Puri Maharaj.
महिमा तो वर्णन करने से हमारे जिहा
I don't even qualify to glorify his Gurudev.
इतना बड़ा भक्ति प्रमोद पुरी गोस्वामी
Pramod Puri
इतने
Goswami Maharaj, he was so humble.
सब विद्या विशाल सब प्रकार के उनके ऊपर कैसे दिन होता हम कई बार मिले
I met him many times. I met him in Vrindavan first
क्या
time.
बोले मठ में माधव गोस्वामी महाराज वृंदावन में जो
Gopinath
वहीं पर
Math.
रहते थे हाँ?
Gopinath Math.
चैतन्य मठ जो बस स्टैंड के सामने
Chaitanya Math, opposite the bus station. I went there with my Gurudev. He was so humble, Pramod Puri Maharaj Goswami
मधुर
Maharaj.
वचन
His speech was very sweet.
ऐसे ऐसे महापुरुषों की दर्शन करने के
When you have the darshan of this Mahaprabhu, Mahatmas, it's very fortunate. We are very fortunate. So I'm just meeting Madhav Priya Prabhuji. So it
और
reminds
हम लोग के साथ भी बहुत साल तक भी रहे
he stayed with us as well
मथुरा
in
वृंदावन
the
में
Mathura in Vrindavan,
सनातन में
in Rup
मथुरा में
Sanatan.
हम लोग के साथ रहे
He stayed with
गुरुदेव
us.
की बहुत
He
सेवा
was serving my Gurudev. He was serving Gurudev very nicely. In Siddhanti Maharaj.
आज तक मेरा हृदय में है
I have one
आज सदैव गुरुदेव कई बार इनको मैंने
many times.
चलो वो उनका नाम क्या था सिद्धांत
Krishna, Siddhanti Maharaj, Krishna Kripa.
चलो जैसी भी हो
What?
सन्यास तो हृदय में है ही है
Sannyas is in the heart.
सन्यास तो हृदय में
Sannyas
आप
is
लोग
in
ऊपर से
I am externally in sannyas, but Madhav Priya Prabhu is really a real sannyas inside the heart.
हम लोग सब इस पे इन लोग के साथ में प्रेम प्रति करते हैं हम लोग
We
कभी
used to have-
कहते थे चाचा भी सब
We used to call her Chacha, uncle.
सिद्धार्थ महाराज जी ये लोग सब
Sridham.
हम लोग के सब चाचा लोग हैं।
They used to call us uncle.
अब और गुरुदेव के साथ स्नेह बात करना है गुरुदेव के मनोनिष्ठ से कि गुरुदेव चले जाने के बाद
After Gurudev left,
भक्ति विज्ञान भारतीय
Bhakti they
महाराज
took the shelter of Bhakti Vedanta Bharat Maharaj and also served
सेवा इनके जीवन के
pure devotee. His life is seva. We see it.
कोई गुरु से कोई दीक्षा लेते हैं
Some take diksha from Guru, then they serve Guru,
वैष्णव के प्रति
but
इतने ममता स्नेह प्रति
they have so much mamta, and also for Vaishnavas, you don't see that much.
विशेष करके
It's very rare that you see that as well. Devotees who are serving their Guru and they have mamta with the Guru, but he also has mamta with Vaishnavas. His Harikathar is so sweet.
बाहर घूमते रहता है
I am very unfortunate because my instruction from my Gurudev was to go around the world and preach.
कभी संगत कभी प्राप्त हो
So,
जाता है जब भी दुर्लभ है हमारे लिए।
So sometimes I get his sung, but very rare.
आज मैं सोच
But
रहा था,
today I was
देखो
just
मेरे
thinking
हृदय में ऐसे आ गया
in my heart.
आप देखो निकट में मंदिर है
I thought,
प्रिय गुरु नहीं आएंगे
So I thought there's a Vaishnava mutt here nearby. And then it's just the moment I was thinking Madhav Priya will not come, he just entered.
मैं जब मेडिकल में वंदना कर रहा था
I was just thinking in my mind, that was in my mind, that will Madhav Priya won't come here? There's a lot of brahmacharis from the mutt have come here.
मन ये सोच रहा था
But in my mind I was just thinking,
कि संग हो जाए
I hope I get the sangha of Madhav Priya.
और ये चिंतन करने के साथ
Just at that time, not even 1 second, as I was thinking, he just appeared and he came. That I'm praying that please give us your speak few words. No motor for building? Oh, you have given? गर्म पानी।
श्री गुरुन् वैष्णवांश्च श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सहागण रघुनाथान्वितं तं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्णचैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधा कृष्णपादान् सहागणललिता श्रीविशाखान्वितांश्च वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। महाराज जी से कथा श्रवण कर रहे
Just heard Hari Katha from Srila Maharaj Ji.
महाराज जी जिस प्रकार से कथा हम लोगों को सुना रहे थे
Maharaj was
उसमें
showing
एक के पश्चात
reciting as
बहुत
the
सारे
Katha.
सुंदर सुंदर
This one,
शास्त्रों के जो उपदेश हैं
it is the instruction
वो
of the
हम लोग
Shastra.
श्रवण कर रहे थे।
This is what we heard.
बाद में फिर कथा को विराम दे करके
After
महाराज जी ने जिस प्रकार
after
से
the end of the Katha, Maharaj Ji
मेरे जैसे बद्ध जीव के विषय में बोलना
he
प्रारंभ
spoke
किया,
about a conditional
उसके
soul
द्वारा
like me.
एक बात जो है शास्त्र की वो मन में आ गई।
Something came in my mind that is from Shastra.
जिस समय श्री जगन्नाथपुरी
At
में
that time, when
चैतन्य महाप्रभु
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu
अपने
went Jagannath
परिवारों
Puri
के साथ
with
बैठ
his
करके
associates, and he was sitting
उन्होंने श्रीला
with
रूप
his
गोस्वामी
associates,
पाद जी से
and
एक
he
बात कही
he said
कि
one
जो
thing to Rupa
आपने
Goswami,
अपने ग्रंथ में लिखा है
whatever you've written in your
उसको
Granth,
सारे वैष्णवों को कह सुनाओ।
now we speak to all the Vaishnavas.
रूप गोस्वामी पाद संकोच कर रहे थे,
Rupa Goswami,
किंतु महाप्रभु ने उनको कहा
he said,
कि जो
Mahaprabhu
आपने
said,
लिखा
whatever you've
वो
written,
वैष्णव समाज में ही यदि नहीं श्रवण
if you
कराओगे
will not speak
तो
in
किसको
the
श्रवण
Vaishnava
कराओगे?
Samaj, then who will you speak to?
भक्तिमय क्रिया आपने जो कुछ लिखा है भगवान
Whatever
का महिमा
Whatever glorification
वैष्णव
we've
के
written,
समाज में उसको श्रवण कराना
You
ही
should-
वास्तविक रूप में क्या है, बहुत एक
whatever is
आनंद का
written in
विषय
the
है, उसको
Shastra,
श्रवण
and we
कराओ।
glorify and we
महाप्रभु ने जब
speak
पुनः
to all
पुनः
the
बोला तो
Vaishnavas.
उन्होंने श्रवण कराना प्रारंभ किया
It is very
कि मैंने अपने ग्रंथ में क्या लिखा है।
what have I written in the Granth.
महाराज जी कथा सुना रहे थे,
Maharaj Ji
10
was
मिनट में
speaking
जल लाना,
that about the Shishya bring water in 10 minutes. Is it very hot? It's okay. We should taste it.
हमारे भक्तों का एक स्वभाव बन जाता है जब
Then
जल ग्रहण करते हैं
Well, the
तो
bhakta's nature
किसी भी ग्लास
becomes
को मुख नहीं लगाते,
or
ऊपर से लेते हैं।
we always take the
इसलिए
glass
अगर वो
from
पूरी
the
तरह से वो भरा हुआ होता
the
है,
top. We
तो
don't
कपड़े
touch
पर
the
गिरता
glass.
है।
Sometimes if the glass is full, then the water will fall on the cloth. So you should always don't fill the glass completely.
रूप गोस्वामी पाद जी ने
And the Rupa Goswami Paji,
महाप्रभु की बात को मान करके बोलना
he
प्रारंभ
understood,
किया
he
कि
took,
उन्होंने क्या लिखा है।
he followed Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's
एक-एक करके
instruction.
उनसे प्रश्न कर रहे थे।
Rai Ramananda was
पहला प्रश्न
asking.
किया
First question,
कि आपने इस ग्रंथ को
चैतन्य
लिखने से
महाप्रभु
पहले अपने इष्ट देव की क्या स्तुति की?
before you wrote this Granth,
जैसे महाराज जी ने
How-
बताया,
how
गुरु
did glorify your Ishtadev. But like Guru Maharaji just spoke, that the three things like the dust of the lotus feet and the dust of the lotus feet and the water that's washed the lotus feet and the Uttista remnants. This is
यदि एक वांछा की है कि आप ग्रंथ लेखन कार्य करेंगे
if you write
तो
a
उसमें सबसे
granth,
पहले आपने
before you
अपने
write
गुरु का
any
स्मरण
granth,
करते हुए
first you remember your
किस
Gurudev
प्रकार का मंगलाचरण
and
किया
then
है,
you do
इष्ट देव का
Mangalacharanam.
स्मरण किया। तब उस समय उन्होंने
He said
एक
at that
श्लोक
time,
बोला,
he spoke one slok,
अनर्पितम
Anarpitam
याग करुणया अवतीर्ण कलौ
Anarpita Karim Karunaya
समर्पयितुं
Vatraya Kalanu
उज्ज्वल रसाम
Ujjwal Rasa
स्वाभक्ति श्रियम्।
Swaha Bhakti Shriya.
ये श्री चैतन्य महाप्रभु के विषय में उन्होंने बोला
He spoke that in front of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
कि वो वाला प्रेम
That prem,
जो बहुत लंबे समय से
after very long time,
जिसको किसी ने भी अर्पित नहीं किया था,
if you don't have this love,
उसी वस्तु को इस
Krishna
जगत
prem,
में अर्पित करने के लिए
you've come here
उस
to give us this topmost Krishna
उन्नत
prem,
उज्ज्वल रस
Annato
राधा और कृष्ण
Annato
के बीच में
Ujjwala
जो
Ras,
वास्तविक निर्मल स्वच्छ प्रेम विराजित है,
the prem that Krishna and Radha have.
उसको इस जगत में
You
बहुत
brought
लंबे
this
समय से
after many
किसी ने उसको
years, after
इंट्रोड्यूस
many
भी नहीं
times.
किया था।
Nobody in the past introduced
उसकी
the
बात ही
love
नहीं
that
उठाई
Radha
थी।
and Krishna have.
किसी
They've
को
never even spoke about it.
उसको देने की तो फिर बात ही
Forget about giving and
तो उसी वस्तु को देने
giving
के
this
लिए
Krishna prem,
अनर्पितम
but they
चरित
haven't even
चिराग
spoke about it.
करुणया अवतीर्ण कलौ। इस कलयुग में
So in this
करुणा
Kali
करके
Yuga, you have been so
स्वयं
compassion that
चैतन्य
Krishna with the
महाप्रभु के
compassion,
रूप में
so much
आप
compassion and mercy
करुणया
have
अवतीर्ण
come
कलौ।
as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
स्वाभक्ति श्रियम,
Swaha Bhakti
अपनी
Shriyam.
भक्ति की
Your Bhakti,
जो श्री
Shri
शोभा
Shobha means
राधा जी के
the
भाव
Radha
को
Ji's
लेकर
bhav.
के
You have come
उसकी
here
जो
with
शोभा,
Radha Ji's bhava. The
उसको
Shobha.
प्रदान करने के लिए आए।
You have come here
नाम अंत में बता दिया, शचीनंदना,
and
शचीनंदन के रूप
Sachinandan.
में आए।
You've come as a
महाप्रभु ने
Sachinandan
जैसे ही
roop
सुना,
of a Sachidanandan.
सुनने के
When
साथ ही साथ
Mahaprabhu
में
heard
क्या
this,
कहा कि
Mahaprabhu
ये
said,
अति स्तुति हुई,
this is Adis, means half.
अति स्तुति हुई। किंतु
But
रूप गोस्वामी महाराज जी ने तो कुछ
Rupa
बोला नहीं।
Goswami didn't say anything.
राय रामानंद प्रभु ने
Rai
कहा
Ramananda said,
कि प्रभु
Prabhu,
ये अति स्तुति हुई नहीं।
this is not half. This is not
महाप्रभु ने
Adis.
कहा नहीं नहीं, अति स्तुति ही हुई है।
Mahaprabhu said, no, it is half.
कोई व्यक्ति एक बहुत अच्छी
For example,
खीर मान लो प्रस्तुत करे, महाप्रभु ने क्या उदाहरण दिया मुझे स्मरण नहीं, किंतु
but if somebody
भावना
has
जो है उसके भीतर में क्या है कि किसी ने बहुत अच्छी खीर प्रस्तुत की,
somebody tasted a beautiful
उसमें थोड़ा सा
kheer, but
भूल से रेती डाल दिया,
if somebody made
तो
a nice
खीर
kheer
बहुत
and then
अच्छी,
you put
रेत
some
थोड़ी सी डालने
sand
से
on the top,
वो कैसे लगेगा खाते समय?
then when you eat that
बहुत खराब लगेगा।
kheer, how will you
तो
taste
महाप्रभु ने
it?
कहा
It will
इसका
taste nice
काव्य बहुत अच्छा,
because you will
लिखने
have
की
grains
पद्धति
of
बहुत
sand.
अच्छी,
So it's
बाकी
impossible.
सब कुछ इसने बड़ा अच्छा ही
Everything,
श्रवण कराया,
he said everything
किंतु
nice,
जब
but
इष्ट देव के विषय में
his
बतलाया,
Ishtadev,
मेरे को अपना इष्ट देव कह करके इन्होंने क्या कर दिया,
he said,
खीर के ऊपर
Reti, it's
रेती
like
डाल
that.
दिया।
He's put some sand on the
साधारण
kheer.
भाषा में इसको बोलते किरकिरी कर देना सब चीज को, किरकिरी
Kiri means
मतलब कि किरकिरा कर देना। अच्छा स्वाद में अच्छी चीज खा रहा था बहुत कोई,
if
और
somebody
फिर
was
एकदम से क्या
tasting
किया,
very
स्वाद
nice,
किरकिरा कर
then you
दिया, खराब
spoil
कर
that taste.
दिया। राय
put in the
रामानंद प्रभु ने
Rai Ramananda
कहा
Prabhu
कि
said,
नहीं,
no.
इन्होंने क्या किया है,
His Rupa Goswami
बहुत
said,
सुंदर खीर बनाने के
he made
पश्चात
us very beautiful kheer,
उसके ऊपर
tasty,
थोड़ा सा
delicious
कर्पूर
kheer,
डाल दिया है,
but he's put
जिससे कि उस
camphor,
खीर का जो सुगंधी था, जो उसका
Kapoor,
स्वाद था, वो भी
Kapoor
और
over
अधिक
that.
बढ़ गया।
He's actually whatever the taste was before,
ये
now the taste is even more
राय
tastier.
रामानंद प्रभु ने बोल दी।
This is what Rai Ramananda
अभी
said.
महाप्रभु के विषय में तो ये बात परम सत्य है,
That is
लागू
actually
होती है।
Mahaprabhu said yes, inside his heart he
किंतु
said
वही
yes,
बात
that's
किसी
true.
अन्य के ऊपर लागू जैसे नहीं हो सकती। उसी प्रकार से महाराज जी ने जिस प्रकार से
Like
बतलाया,
that, Maharaj ji said,
वो सारी बातें उनके ऊपर तो लागू हो सकती हैं,
Yeah.
क्योंकि उन्होंने निष्कपट रूप से गुरुदेव की
he was
अपने गुरुपाद पद्म की
he's
सेवाएं
using the
की
way he's
और
serving
सब
his
समय करते हुए
Gurudev
चल रहे हैं।
and he's still serving his
इन्हीं
Gurudev.
गुरु भ्राताओं को, ज्येष्ठ गुरु भ्राताओं को देख करके ही
Is
कुछ कुछ प्रेरणा थोड़ी सी अभी मिलती है, समझ आता है कि
whatever
सेवा
the
किसको कहते हैं।
realization he has
और उन सेवाओं में कितनी
In this,
प्रकार के विघ्न और बाधाएं आती हैं,
how much
कैसे उनसे घबराए
difficulty
बिना
we have in this
सेवाएं
seva,
करनी पड़ती
but
हैं
you have to
गुरुवर्गों की।
serve.
उसको इन्हीं के
Even
ही,
if there is difficulty that
जो
comes,
आदर्श के द्वारा
we
कथा
have to
सुनने का
follow his
मेरा बहुत
instruction.
अधिक सौभाग्य हुआ नहीं महाराज
I
जी।
haven't had so much
कभी
fortune
कभी
to
श्रवण
listen
करने
to
का जब भी
Maharajji's
अवसर मिला, प्रयास
katha,
किया,
Hari Katha,
किंतु
but
उनकी जो
but
सेवा
I
की
have seen
परिपाटी,
his seva,
उसी को
the
देख
seva
करके ही
vritti he
हमारे
has.
जो
I see
साथ
that.
में रहने वाले भक्त लोग उसी से ही शिक्षा प्राप्त करते हैं। विशेष करके हमारे
Devotees,
श्रीपाद प्रेमानंद प्रभु, तीर्थ
Premananda
महाराज, माधव
Prabhu,
महाराज,
Tirth Maharaj,
श्रीधर
Madhav
महाराज,
Maharaj, Sridhar
ये सभी
Maharaj,
हमारे
they
गुरुदेव
are-
के साथ में हमारे
they were-
महाराज जी,
they were
ये सभी लोग
serving
हमारे
the
गुरुदेव
Gurudev.
के साथ में सबसे प्राचीन
they were all,
और सब प्रकार की
serving
सेवाओं को
by
करने वाले
Gurudev.
गुरुदेव से साक्षात रूप में जैसे ट्रेनिंग लेकर के शिक्षा प्राप्त
They were
करके
taking
सौभाग्य को
Siksha
वर्ण
from
करने वाले।
Gurudev.
इसलिए उनका संग हम लोग
The
करने के
song of
उद्देश्य
that
से आए
association we
और
had,
थोड़ा बहुत उनके मुख से जो श्रवण किया अभी
And
कथा
we've
को
heard.
जीवन में पालन कर पाए,
and then
यही
we
कामना करता हूँ
what we
और
I'm praying
उनके
that
चरणों
I
में यही
follow
प्रणाम करता
the
हूँ कि
instructions
उनके
that he
जैसे
said,
हमारी
that I pay
गुरु
my
निष्ठा, गुरु
obeisances
सेवा की
at the
भावना,
lotus feet,
जिस प्रकार से
and then
उन्होंने
what-
सद्भावना के विषय में हम लोगों को श्रवण कराया
whatever he
कि
spoke
एक
about
परिवार
what is
में
pure.
किस प्रकार से
In Parivar,
व्यक्ति जो
how
है
should a devotee
वो
behave?
महाराज जी ने उदाहरण दिया सती
He
स्त्री
gave an
का,
example.
वो अपने पति के प्रति
He will also,
संपूर्ण
he
समर्पित
has
रहती
nista
है
in the husband,
और जितने भी घर
but
के और सब
whoever
सदस्य
around
होते
in
हैं,
all the other
उसके
members
पति
in the
के साथ
household,
में
he is
अंततः
also
जिनका सब
showing love
प्रकार
and
से
affection to other
मधुर
members
व्यवहार होता है,
in the
संबंध होता है,
other members
उनके साथ
of the
में भी
family.
जितना अधिक होता है, वो मधुर
and he
भाषी
has good relationships with all the rest of the members as well, and he's serving the rest of the
उसी
members.
प्रकार से हम लोग
That's
श्रील
also,
गुरुदेव के परिवार में
we are also the
सभी
Parivar of Gurudev.
वास्तविक
We are
हृदय की
praying
प्रीति के
that
साथ में
with our heart that we serve, but not only externally showing that we are loving with, from our heart, with our love and affection, that we live with the Vaishnavas. This is the prayers, this is my prayers at the lotus feet of a Vaishnava.
आरती करी तो थी ना मैं
वो आरती करी थी, आरती वाली प्लेट कहाँ रही थी? नहीं करी थी, वहीं पर ही कह रही हूँ वो सामने।